Thanks for clicking on this particular video. Let me address some of the pains that you might be going through in your CAT preparation. Your scores are fluctuating. Your scores may be stagnating. You don't know where the next improvement is going to happen. You're doing enough. You're doing a lot of things in your preparation, but still somehow things are not going in your favor. If that is a problem that you're facing, then fear not. We have got an amazing session called the Race to 99 Percentile that's happening this weekend. In that Race to 99 Percentile, me, by the way, I'm Jijo, GP and ARCs, we will be taking you through each of the areas of the CAT and giving you valuable inputs in terms of how you can improve the scores. Not by using some sort of a theoretical approach, but absolute practical, commonsensical approach. For instance, in quant, do you know that using options, you can eliminate and get to the answers? There are a lot of, let us say, jugaad ways in terms of solving. Do you know in DLR, there are certain fundamental principles. If you stick to that, you can improve your score. In VARC, a simple ideas, commonsensical approach can help you ace the section. All these and much more is what you'll find in the Race to 99 Percentile session. Please do register. If you are a CL student, all you got to do is go to the Aspiration account, click. And if you're not, then the description is below. Just follow that and do register. We will see you, and I'm sure that this will be a great session for you. Thank you and goodbye.